Yo, what's going on, guys? Your boy JG back with another video. So here we go on. Last night me that watch one movie and then I come across this video zine, and the video that talk about why women cheat. You see me? But I kinda want to put my own spin on it, and that's the whole reason for this video. You see what I say? So I'm gonna give you guys the top 3 things why Jamaican women cheat. You understand? Some of it might be controversial, some of you guys might not agree, some of you girls, especially the female that watch my channel, but they might not agree with this, but these are my top 3 things why Jamaican women cheat. You see me? Number 1, boring. A woman is bored. You understand? No, guys, I'm wanting to understand. You see me? Women get bored easily. You understand? Women get bored easily. For example, if you keep doing the same things over and over again, like you not carry them out, or you not buy them something nice, or surprise them, or carry out for lunch, carry out for dinner, make some form of plans to go out, you just come home doing the same things every day over and over again. Let me tell you something. You see, Jamaican woman, some of them tired of KFC and Burger King, You see what I say? So we have to break out of that habit there. You see what I say? Because let's say you and your girl together and you want to carry her out. You got to carry her to Burger King or KFC. Brother, them things then now work again. You see what I say? Leave that to the young girl them. The young Jamaican girl like the schoolers them also. Allow that to them. But if you deal with a big woman Jamaican girl, say from 20 to probably 30, them the kind of people, you don't want to carry them go Burger King or KFC, brother. Them tired of them something, them, man. Carry them go to a nice restaurant or something to that effect. You see what I say? And if you not do that, guess what going to happen? Them are going to start give you bun. The sex now go nice. After a while, them are going to start pull back, and you realize them not call you as often, them not message you as often, and you are going to notice a difference after a while. You see me? Especially if you're not sex them right. You understand? If you're not sex them right, you are going to see a major difference. You understand? In them personality and the way them deal with you. You understand? So you have to do things where make them want to be with you. You see what I say? Because guys, understand this. You see, Jamaican woman, them always a look for the next man for upgrade to. You see what I say? Or them a look for somebody else for upgrade. You see me? Because women want to be comfortable. You understand? And if you not provide a level of comfort there, guess what? Them are going to look feed from somebody else. Them not going to cut right away, Them not going to cut right away. Them are going to start give you bun until them realize the man with them are give you bun with actually I do better than what you are do. Then them are going to jump up and left ship and jump ship. You see what I say? So that's one of the main reasons why Jamaican women give bun. Them get bored easily. So you have to always change things up. You understand? So moving on to number 2 is money. Let me say it again. Number 2 is money. Now, understand this, guys. Like, the money where you are going to give a woman, especially a Jamaican woman, it all depends on the salary where you are get. You see what I say? For example, if you work on a supermarket, you work for the Chinaman them. You know if the Chinaman not pay a whole heap of money. You see what I say? Them don't pay a lot of money. So you have to give your girl based on where you earn. You see what I say? So if you basically work 7 grand a week, and you have your rent for pay, you have your light for pay, you have your water for pay. You understand? So let's say for the month, that's a $24,000, and your rent are probably 10 grand, and your light bill are probably 5 grand. Your light and water are probably 5 grand. You see me? So that left what? $9,000 for buy food, as well as figure your woman a thing out of it. You understand? So it all depends on where you are earn. That determines how much money you can give your catty. You see what I say? But you see, in the end, if she not get what she want or she's not comfortable with what she's getting, she gonna start give a bun. You see what I say? It's not a case for most Jamaican women. It's not a case where they don't love you, you know. They love you, but guess what? They're always prospecting. Them always a look for your upgrade. You see me? Women, Jamaican women, them ever look for your upgrade. You understand? So you have to understand that. Now, women like to be comfortable. You see what I say? Them love to have money if you can do whatever they want. Them love to have money if you can pay them bills. Them love to have money if you can buy clothes or new shoes or take care of them kids. If you are date a woman with a picnic, you understand? So guess what? If you not provide the means there, them a go prospect for find somebody else who can. You see me? Now some of the woman might watch this now, might say, no sir Winston, not no go sir. Liar tell. So you mean for tell me say, if Blood Cleat Denzel Washington come to Jamaica and see you and like you and want to carry you go back overseas with him, you are going to tell me say you not gonna pack up your things and left, and you know say it's genuine? You not gonna pack up yourself and left? Top tell lie, man. You understand? Perfect example, guys. Let's say you have a cat who work at a bank. You see what I say? But you have a lot of bills, so you can't really gear the type of money what she want, but you just gear what you have. You see what I say? And one day she there work, she's a teller. One day she there work, brother, and she realize her boss not stop prayer and him a one manager. You see what I say? Him a the manager. Let's say I'm Mr. Chen. You understand? And Mr. Chen start eyes and she realize that what you think she gonna do? She gonna probably the next day she gonna probably wear a shorter skirt, or probably put on some extra makeup, or probably do her hair really good. So that when she go out the next day, Mr. Chen start look on her even more. And then she gonna go over and talk about work. And then when she start talk about work now, she probably might throw in a one question or two questions other than work to feel him out. You understand? And then now when she get him to start flirt with her now, or she probably start flirt with him and she realize it's a mesh, then now she start move on into personal details about herself as well as him and stuff like that. You see what I say? A so woman move, a so Jamaican woman move. You see what I say? So you have to basically, women, them not just jump so. You see what I say? What them do, them slowly move into it. Slowly move into it. Them test the waters first. And once after a while, them realize say them might get that stability there. Then them are gonna start pull back from you. Then them are gonna start complain about some simple thing. And then two twos you realize say she gone. You see what I say? So the second reason is money. You understand? So you have to ensure say you pay attention to your woman's needs. And furthermore, hear this. You see me? You see if you can take away a woman's stress, guess what she think about all day? All she gotta think about is sex. You understand? Once you can take away a Jamaican woman's stress, whether all of the stress them, whether it be the bills, whether it be the kids, whether it be anything at all where I stress them out, from you can take away that stress there, all them are gonna think about a sex, all them are gonna want to think about a you. You see what I say? She gonna start come up with some ideas for make you feel good and do things for make you happy. Because when you take away all our stress financially. You see what I say? Alright. So the final thing, and this is I wouldn't say it's the number one thing. The number one thing would be money. The third one is sex. You understand, brother? Let me tell you something. Jamaican woman love them sort out. You see what I say? I don't want to use no expletives because I don't want them demonetize this. But woman love them sex. You see what I say? Worst Jamaican woman, brother. You see if you not lay the pipe good, guess what? Y'all get bun in your ass. Well, I just use an expletive, but y'all get bun in your ass. You see what I say? So the best thing you have to do, ensure say you lay the pipe good. Ensure say you give it to her really good. You see what I say? Because if you not give it to her good, she'll give you a bun. You understand? And I might make a video on how you guys can better yourself if you give it to her good. I might make a video on that. So if it's some of you guys maybe when you can't perform good in a bed, don't be afraid to say it, you know. Me can give you guys some guidance as to how to perform in bed. You see me? But that's one of the main thing why Jamaican woman give bun. You see, if you're not strap her good brother, she go cut. Or she go give a bun, or she go give a bag of attitude. You see what I say? Now, perfect example. You see, if you always a come before she come, guess what? She go feel bad, you know. And some Jamaican woman them go tell you about your ass. You understand? So you have to ensure say you do good and do it good. You see me? So the first thing always ensure say she come first. You see me? And don't just give her one come, brother. Make sure come on 3-4 times. You understand? Before you even think about coming. You see me? That are the most important thing, brother. You see me? So basically, that's basically it, guys. The top 3 things why Jamaican woman get bun. It's money, boredom, and sex. You understand? You see, and some of you guys might even say, yo, JG, even if you do all of them 3 things there, them still are a gay bun. And me agree with that. You see me? But it's a lot less likely. You see me? Cause remember, at the end of the day, women are always a look for your upgrade. Even when you want to do everything. You see me? Them still a look for your upgrade. You understand? So if you do everything and them realize that them see a guy will like them and that guy they can do more than you and treat them better than you and have a better house than you, better things than you, better personality than you, guess what? They're not gonna get a bun. But also want to put in this, guys, understand this. You see, if you can do better than where a woman man do, them not gonna give a bun. Them not gonna give a man bun with you. Let me say this again. You see, if you can do better than what the catty man do, them not gonna give them man bun with you. So if a woman gonna give bun, it's always with somebody where do something better. Something halfway do better. So it's either you strap her better, it's either you can give her more money than where a man give her, or it's either you're full of vibes and you always go out, you always just fun to be around and you always make her laugh. You understand? So it always have to do with something where you can do better than what the man do. You see me? Alright guys, so that's the video. Like the video, leave a comment down below if you guys want me to talk about how to lay the pipe better, how to sex a woman better, how to avoid coming before she come. Let me know down in the comments, I can make another video like this. So if you guys enjoyed the video, again, drop a like, comment down below. Me soon look more.